Hello friends, I am fine and I hope that you will be also fine. Today's story topic is Nighat Sultana. Please put on the nice comment, press bell icon and first of all you subscribe my channel so that you will receive my video easily. Thank you friends. Friends, Hassan Ali, her father was from a Bengali family and he worked in army and was sent to Iraq during the World War I. There he married Iraqi Khud woman. Nighat was born in 1935 in Kurdistan, Iraq. When Nighat was 14 years, her parents then left Iraq and went to settle in Pakistan at Karachi. Nighat's father wanted her to become a doctor. She studied nursing and became a nurse and worked in army hospital before joining films. After some time, her father Hassan suffered from some blindness illness. In 1953, Nighat went to Lahore and there she met director Aslam Irani and he cast her in his film Tadap. In the film Tadap, she worked with Sudhir, Shami and Alauddin. She made her debut as an actress in 1953. She worked in many Lollywood movies. She appeared in film Pasban, Nouran, Tere Baghair, Insaf, Tamanna and the other films. Then she changed her name to Nighat Sultana and later she appeared in film Pazeb, Kohinoor, Afsan, Salgiria and the other films. In 1956, she played the leading role in the country's first Hindi language film Umar Marvi. Since then, she appeared in film Jahangir and the other films. She married director Hassan Tariq after the film Neend, but they first met on the set of the film Saat Lakh, where he was working as chief assistant director. She had two children with Hassan Tariq, son named Tahir Hassan and daughter Reena. Later Hassan divorced her and she took the custody of her children. Nighat died at her home in Karachi in December 16, 2002. So dear friends, how you like my video? Tell me in comment box. God bless you. So friend, bye. We will meet in the next video. Allah Hafiz.